Welcome back into Good Day Charlotte. It's that time of the year again, everyone, thinking about taxes. We have financial professional Charlie Bowers from Durso Capital Management here to offer some advice on what you can do to start preparing. Thanks for being here, Charlie.
Thank you for having me.
Nobody really likes this time of year.
There's a lot of stress this time of year, but we're already 1 month away from the filing deadline. Do you have your stuff together? Do you have your income, your expenses, brokerage statements, deductions, if you have any?
I was going to say, what do we need to be doing right now if you haven't already done your taxes?
I hope you have that. To give you an idea, a lot of us procrastinate, and I was in my tax preparer's office last year, a couple of weeks before the deadline, and she was so stressed, and she said, people keep calling, say, I'm going to bring my stuff in next week. So there's hundreds of people going to bring stuff in next week and want to get it done, within 5 days. She said, there's just no way to do that. So I hope you've got it and you're ready to hand it over to your tax professional.
And then what are some of the things, is there anything new this year that people need to know about or kind of put on their radar screen?
Well, the big question is it going to be beneficial for you or not? The tax bracket rates have changed and the standard deductions have essentially doubled, but personal exemptions are gone. So what does that mean for you? It kind of depends. If you have a lot of kids, you're losing some personal exemptions, but maybe they're trying to make up for that for the child tax credit, which doubled from $1,000 to $2,000.
And the sooner the better.
Tax season is a potential time that thieves target returns and refunds. So it's good to be proactive, to go ahead and get it done early, because you don't want to wait till June and find out that someone has filed a tax return in your name and gotten a refund, and then you've got all kind of grief.
And that's a whole nother headache for people.
That's a big headache.
And if something happens, if you hear from the IRS, it's going to be in a letter.
All right, let's say if you get a text or an email or a telephone call from the IRS, you didn't. The IRS doesn't contact you like that. So be sure you're dealing with the IRS.
That's someone wanting your return.
Right.
And if you do get that return, you need to be smart about it.
That's right. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Make sure you're dealing with the IRS, and then don't just blow the refund that you might get.
Yeah, that's bad news bears there. So, and if you have any questions, your advice, always kind of check with a professional, someone who knows the tax law.
Use 2018 to become a planner. Talk to your financial professional, your tax professional, and a state planning attorney so that not only will you be prepared for 2018, but be prepared for your whole future.
And some changes for that next year.
Changes are coming
All right,
up.
Charlie Bowers, thanks so much for being here. Always good to talk dollars and cents with you. All right, stay with us. We've got another half hour of Good Day on the other side of this break. We'll be right back.